Hey everybody, it's Ron. Welcome back to the channel. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about today was health and health related injuries, or having things here at home that you might need going forward in the future as you get older. Just a couple things that come to mind right away is you probably want a good digital thermometer to have in your house. That way you can check your temperature. Another thing would be a BP cup to check your blood pressure. And let me show you the one I have. Now this is the one I have. It's pretty typical Walmart brand, and it goes around your arm here, and it has instructions on how to put it on. But one of the things I've learned by going to the doctor is that when you're taking your blood pressure, you can do it one of two ways. You can do it sitting. I know they do it sitting, but they don't want you to cross your legs for some reason. I don't know why. If you know why, leave me a comment down below and tell me why they do that. I don't know if it has something to do with electrical charges or what, but they always tell you to uncross your feet, like if you're sitting down. Another thing to consider having is a first aid kit, a good first aid kit. Now I do have one, and let me show you the one I have. Okay, the one I have is pretty extensive. It's metal. You could mount it on something. What I actually do is most of the time it stays in the cab of my truck. And fortunately for me, you can see it's got a whole bunch of stuff in there. Having it in my truck was fortunate for me a couple months ago, because my wife and I were out riding our e-bikes and she took a tumble and we had to clean her arm. She scraped her arm pretty bad. Now, one other thing I would do is I would check my medicine cabinet for medicines, okay? Our medicine cabinet is in the kitchen. Let me take you in there and show that to you real quick. Keep ours right here next to the stove, and it's got a bunch of stuff in it. What I would suggest you do is you go through your medicine cabinet occasionally, because medicines have an expiration date on it, okay? And you want to make sure that you don't have stuff in there that expired. So there's all kinds of stuff that you might want to look at in that cabinet to make sure it's not expired and get rid of it. Now, one more good thing to have, okay, is ice packs. Have those available so you can put those in the freezer, because sometimes you might sprain a leg, or you might sprain an arm, you might tear something, or you might have to reduce some swelling for some reason. And having an ice pack to do that, and you just put them in the freezer and they get frozen up and stuff. It's a lot better than using ice cubes. One other thing is, on the other side of the coin is a heating pad, okay? Now, we have a heating pad. It's the kind you plug into the wall. It's got a little thing on there to adjust the temperature while you're sitting in your chair or laying in your bed. You can use that. But sometimes that's not convenient. So let me show you a product here that I think is really worth its weight in gold. So what I have is this belt, okay? It's called Bob and Brad. Is the name of the company that puts it out. It's USB battery operated rechargeable. It has a heating pad built in, a vibrator built in, and red light technology built in. And let me show you this real quick. This is what it looks like, and you just put it on you and turn it on. So for me, the belt itself is just a little bit too small for me, as you can see. Let me turn the camera down so you can see what I'm talking about. It's just a little bit too small for me. I could probably make it work, okay? But it comes with an extension. And you can put that on and extend this out. Let me show you how that works real quick. There you go. Now, what the nice thing about this is you're not tethered to a wall outlet. You can walk around the house and do this. So here's the thing. I have to use this today. Yesterday I was downtown Crossville taking some photographs, and they've been milling the road down there getting ready to repave it. Well, guess what? I slipped, okay, and I fell. Now, I haven't fallen. That's probably the first time I've fallen in a very long time. So I'm going to be 69 years old, and it kind of scares me a little bit. I came home, my legs were hurting, the back side of my back was hurting. When I woke up this morning, they were still sore. So you know what? I decided to get this out and try it. So it's very easy to use. You just turn it on. I'm going to set the temperature to 50 degrees Celsius. Put the vibrate on like number 3, and the red light's on L3. Now, here's the beauty. I can walk around the house and I can already feel the heat. I can walk around the house while this is working. I can go sit in my desk chair. Let me go in there and show you real quick. Now, one of the other things I'm able to do is move around with it like this and be able to come into my office and sit down at my desk and do some work while it's actually working on the sore parts of my back. Go into the kitchen and finish cooking our dinner while I'm wearing this. Let me show you that. So as you can see, I'm moving around. I'm in here in the kitchen cooking a little supper. Now, in addition to your back, you can use this on other parts of your body because it has Velcro on it, and you can wrap it around your thigh of your leg, around your shoulder, or any place like that, or even the back of your neck. So, you know, recently the back of my neck's been kind of hurting me, and it's probably from poor posture from sitting in my chair over here, okay? I call it my chair of death, and watching too much YouTube. So today it feels pretty good, but I'm gonna wear this here, and here's one thing about this belt. It will run continuously for 15 minutes unless you turn it off by yourself. So after 15 minutes, the belt will shut off by itself. You can restart it. The rechargeable feature of this, so far what I've seen, is you can probably run this about an hour and a half before you have to recharge it again. So that's about 6 different usages, okay? See there? You can use it on different parts of your body. Right there where it's sore, you got sore muscles. Now, I don't know if you could get up and walk around with this like this, okay? Like I said, I'm sitting here in my chair of death. If you're a retiree, you know what I'm talking about, chair of death. Don't let these chairs get to you. Anyways, I just wanted to show you could put it around other parts of your body that need to be massaged. You got sore muscles from working out or whatever. So that's my little short video on healthcare and having things around the house. If you've got some things that you were thinking about while I was making this video, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts about some of this stuff. And I may have forgot a few things. These are just some of the things I look around the house and we have. Anyways, this belt is working out really well. Bob and Brad's, link in the description of the video. And listen, we'll talk to y'all later. All right, bye-bye.